Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Today, we will be discussing with you best budget gaming phone Infinix Zero 5G. Let's go. Infinix has launched a new smartphone named Zero 5G to the market on March 3, 2022 at a price of $248. Yeah, you heard me right. Infinix has worked on this new device with 5G technology. The smartphone will be a mid-ranger and will be named Infinix Zero 5G. The smartphone got a chipset of Dimensity 900, which is the most powerful chipset in the market nowadays. And to give more power to this Infinix Zero 5G to have an octa-core processor inside the phone to make the device ultra fast. And also there is a GPU of Mali G68 under the hood of this smartphone. Now let's move towards display. The Infinix Zero 5G features 120Hz LTPS display with a maximum brightness of 500 nits with a 240Hz touch sampling rate as well as 240Hz touch sampling rate. At this price point, the lack of an AMOLED display is a bummer. However, LTPS is terrific for high resolutions and picture quality, which might help you forget about the AMOLED's high contrast. Furthermore, the viewing angles remain quite good. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.78 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 into 2460 pixels. The new Infinix Zero 5G has an IS LCD capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. Design. Purity in its design with geometric lines to boost. Zero 5G embodies a Uni-Curve design that adds a touch of elegance and beauty to its frame. The smartphone is using Corning Gorilla Glass for protection purposes. This handset Zero 5G by Infinix comes with a gigantic RAM capacity of 8 GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the smartphone is 128 GB. That is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. In terms of button placement, the Infinix smartphone has a USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and a 3.55 mm audio jack at the bottom, as found on many other smartphones. The power button, which is combined with a fingerprint reader and has a unique design, is located on the right edge. The volume rockers are also on the right side. A SIM card tray and a micro SD card slot are located on the left side of the phone. Overall, the Infinix Zero 5G has excellent craftsmanship, which is enhanced by its rounded and sleek looks. Camera. On the rear of the Infinix 5G, there is a triple camera setup with up to 30x zoom. You can now capture breathtaking close-ups of distant objects wherever you are. The main sensor will be 48 megapixels, 13 megapixels and 2 megapixels. The selfie shooter of the phone is 16 megapixels wide to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. It captures 960 fps slow motion to achieve those high quality videos rarely seen on any smartphone. It shoots a video of 1080 at 30 and 60 fps and 4K at 30 fps. In terms of quality, the primary camera takes excellent photos in the bright light, although there is a lot of detail in the images. Some texture may still appear soft. The auto HDR feature enters the area and delivers a good result. However, the shutter speed is not very fast. And if you do not have particularly steady hands, there may be some wobble. The Infinix Zero 5G includes an auto night mode that activates in low light environments and appears to do some HDR boosting, restoring shadows and capturing light sources. The detail is nicely retained and there isn't a lot of extra noise. A specific super night mode is also available on the Zero 5G. It significantly enhances images taken with the main camera, restoring both shadows as well as highlights far more effectively than the usual AI mode. Battery. The Infinix Zero 5G is having a side-mounted fingerprint reader to secure the data on the smartphone and only allow the authorized person. The Infinix Zero 5G will be fueled with a non-removable lithium polymer 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging of 33 watts. The latest 6 nanometer production process delivers super efficient performance that's also conducive to maintaining great battery life. Performance. With ARM Cortex-A78 clocked at up to 2.4 GHz, you will experience instant loading performance in the blink of an eye. Downloading, gaming, everything will be faster than ever. Now feel free to enjoy higher speeds, seamless connection and greater coverage. And with our clever 5G mode, your smartphone will automatically maintain low power consumption. Heat Pipe Thermal Module 2.0 systematically monitors the temperature of your device so you can immerse yourself in the game without worrying about overheating. 5G network. The Zero 5G supports dual SIMs, True Dual 5G SIM Standby and VONR. The phone has Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2 for local connectivity. An FM radio receiver is also included as well as OTG support. They are really amazing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.